Hello guys. If you want your website to come on top in Google search, you must have to write much better content than your competitors. How you can do that? I have a proven method that I am going to tell you today how you can make better content than your competitor and you can beat them in search engine optimization and also beat them in ranking. So first of all, there are two types of competitors. You must have to research with the competitor analysis. How I do this, how I use this competitive analysis and make my content better. So this is a proven method. So first of all, let's do this. There are two types of competitors. One is direct competitor and the second one is indirect competitor. What is the direct competitor? Direct competitors are the competitors who are offering the same service that you are offering. So for example, there is a gate repair business or garage door repair business. So they are offering gate repair services, garage door services, and you are also offering the same services. Just go to the Google and list down, find gate repair services in Dallas, gate repair services in your city where you are doing this business. Write down the list of 10 of your competitors. And then there are the second type of competitor is indirect competitors. Indirect competitors are the competitors who are actually offering different items, but they are targeting the exact user that you are targeting. For example, in this case, I was using gate repair or garage door repair services, and now there is garage door lock repair or garage door lock installation or garage door installation, garage door strip installation. So these are different types of manufacturers who are targeting exactly same clients as your, right? So list down all those competitors. Also go to Google, find those competitors. So you have a list of 20 competitors. Now you have to check the reviews of the competitors. Go to different types of websites. There are many websites who are offering different reviews. Like you can go to Google, you can check their Google reviews, you can check their SiteJobber reviews, you can check their Facebook reviews, you can check their own website reviews, and check what type of reviews. Look at the top reviews. Look at why people are praising them, and then notice all the items. Write down all the items that people are very pleased with their services. So for example, they are very quick in arrival. So you have to write that we must have to add our content that we are fast arrival company. We reach to your destination very quickly, or within an hour, or within 20 minutes, whatever suits you. And then you find what other items people are praising for, like their technicians are well trained. Then write down that caption also, that our technicians are very trained. Look what people really want. So you have to write all those items and make them headings, and then look at their bad reviews. Look what they are missing. That is actually the gap that you can fill. Look at what people are pissed off. Why people are pissed off with their services or with their products. Write down all those items and mention those items into your website content in a better way. That these are the services you offer. These are the products you offer. And try to make them very excellent. Write each of the items as a content. Make your headings of each of the content that people are praising, or people are feeling bad of those comments. But you have to write those into your content. So it will give Google a very good algorithm review into your website, that this website has all the items that people are talking about in different websites. So this is very important and proven method that I usually use in my mass pages and local business websites, and that is the reason those websites are in search engine. Those websites come in search engine very fast. So this formula you have to use for your website, for your local business website and your mass pages websites. I hope you understand what are the mass pages websites. If you are running a local business, you have to make your mass pages website. So I have other videos of mass pages websites, how you can bring more traffic, how you can bring more calls for your business. So watch my other videos for mass pages, how you can generate more traffic, how you can generate more calls. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. You are going to get more videos like this. Thank you so much.